Need to fix Instagram schedule option not showing? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So you might be facing this issue because you haven't updated the app. In order for you to update, click on App Store. Once you're in the home page, in the search bar, search for Instagram and then click on it. Move into this app. Right here you can see the option for update, which means that your application is not up to date and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In this case, click on update and update the app. Now you have to wait for a while for the update to be completed. And once it has been completed, it should fix the issue. If not, head over to the settings of a device. Move into General and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, simply search for the application Instagram and then click on it. Tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.